be a part of this project. What can we do? What do we need? We need people. We just need your enthusiasm and the willingness to be involved. And the first step is to find out what needs to be done. And so this is where I come in. As your Chennai facilitator, because I'm here, I'm going to help you in the way that I know I can help you. I'm a writer and a songwriter, and I'm also a communication trainer, and I work with children, young people and old people, and my focus is on expression. How do we express ourselves? So it can be how I tell a fact, how I present a fact, how I present a feeling, or how I present an idea. It's all expression. So whether it's creative expression or if it's something just your regular answer sheet in your exam is also an expression. It's an expression of your knowledge and understanding. Right? And if you can write an answer in a better way, you can present your ideas and your facts in a better way. So what I propose is for each one of you to think about what would be an ideal society in terms of your school and the environment and your community around you. And you can express it in any way you want. It can be a picture, it can be a poster, it can be a collage, it can be a song, it can be maybe a dance, it could be a play, a skit, in any way you want. An essay, a story, or just an article. I don't know how to be creative. I don't know how to, tell a story or write a poem or sing a song or do any of those things, but I know what needs to be done. I know what needs to happen. I can imagine, I know what is ideal. So write an article, tell us what it is. Is that fine? There's no rush. No one's asking you to spend, hours over it every day. In one day, think about it every day. And what we say that in 3 weeks' time, is 3 weeks an okay time or 2 weeks' time? We meet again to find out what ideas you've come up with. Yes? Is that possible? And remember, we don't want, works of art that need to be put into a museum. It doesn't have to be the best, and you don't have to reject yourself and your work because you don't think it's good enough. We don't want perfection, we want ideas. We want ideas with which we can start working. We want ideas with which we can start thinking. Is that fine? Everyone? Any questions? No? Okay. So what I'm going to do when we leave here is that I'm going to be leaving my number and my email ID and ways to contact me with your teachers and your principal. And we will come back to school definitely and keep in touch with them also. But the idea is that you start thinking about what we can do. Alright? And then we will just take a look at all of this stuff and see what ideas come out of it and which ones we can start work on immediately and what we can do next. But it needs to come from you. The ideas have to come from you. You need to come up with the ideas. You need to own this program. It has to be about the school and what the school is doing with its community. You understand? It's not just about somebody else saying that, oh, this needs to be done and so I did it. It needs to be about, I looked out and I saw this and I realized that this needs to be done. And I went out and told my friends and they thought so too. And so we got together and came up with this plan. That includes everybody. How many of you must be having so many people telling you what to do, no? Yes or no? Yes? How many people find out what you want to do? And would that be nice? Yes? I heard one soft yes somewhere. Yes, it would be nice. And Mighty in School and Mighty in India aims to do that. We are not about telling people what to do. We want to decide together with people what can be done. Is that fine? Yeah? So I think for the next 2 days you'll be thinking about this, but I'll be back to speak with your teachers and the principal to find out how we can take this forward. Okay? And if there's people among you who think that you would like to volunteer to be a part of this program and to maybe coordinate the program among your classmates, then please let your teachers know that you have an interest in the program and they will tell you how you can take it forward. Is that okay? Yes? Now any questions? No. No questions? Sure. Sure. So you don't have pen and paper, so I'm not going to give you my email ID, you have nowhere to write it. But I will leave it with your teachers and your principal. Okay? So, but at the same time, you can just hand over your material to them, we will be in touch, we will come and I will be back to meet you in a week's time or 10 days time. 10 days, a week. Okay, how many say 10 days? And how many say 1 week? Thank you. So we will be back in 1 week to find out what ideas you have. Okay? Is that fine? Yes. And remember, like I said, you can express yourself in any way. Maybe you don't have anything written down, but you might have 4 lines or a poem that you composed about how dirty the streets are or something like that. Okay? Is that fine? Yes. Thank you very much for your time. And remember that your school being so clean, it just means that you are the right people to go out there and clean the rest of this area around the place also. Thank you very much.